Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss pair of linear equations in two variables, exercise 4.1, question number 2. In the previous video, we have seen the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. In this session, we are going to discuss same type of problem, that is, the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Keep on watching, don't miss the video till the end. That will definitely helpful for you. If you are watching first time of my video, just subscribe the channel and try to share this video to your friends and family members. Click this I button if you need of previous videos. Question number 2 in C. Check whether the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Solve them graphically. So that's C. 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals 7. 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So we need to find the consistent or inconsistent one we need to find. Also solve in graphical method also. Now you can see the given equations. Given equations, that is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7 and 9x minus 10y equal to 12. So the given equations we need to write a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 type we need to write. And second equation we can write a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 type we need to write. So this c1 we need to transpose to left, means we are getting 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y minus 7 equal to 0, and here 9x minus 10y minus 12 equal to 0. So this both equations, it is of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Now we can write it here. What is a1? Here a1 equal 3 by 2, b1 equal 5 by 3, c1 equal minus 7. With sign we need to write. Next a2. So a2 equal to 9, b2 means minus 10, c2 means minus 12. Now we can take the ratio a1 by a2. So a1 means 3 by 2 by 9. 9 means you can take as a 9 by 1 you have to take. So it is of the form a by b by c by d model. Means we need to take ad by bc we have to take. Means that value we are getting 3 into 1 by 2 into 9 we are getting. So 3 1 the 3, 3 3 is that equal 1 by 6. a1 by a2 value we got it here 1 by 6. Now you can take b1 by b2. So b1 means 5 by 3 by b2 means minus 10. Minus 10 means you can write by 1 you can write. A by b by c by d means ad. A means 1, 5 into 1. bc minus 10 into 3 we can write it. So 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is that equal minus 1 by 6. So here a1 by a2 we got here 1 by 6. b1 by b2 we got it here minus 1 by 6. Means here a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. Both are not equal. Both are not equal means that are what type of lines? That is the consistent. So therefore the lines are consistent. Therefore the given linear equations the given linear equations are the given linear equation represents intersecting lines and have only one zero, only one solution. This is about consistent or inconsistent. Now we need to show this one in the graphical method also. So graphical representation. Now for the equation, that is 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. For this one we need to take x values, y values and pairs we have to take. So x value, first assumption value I am taking as a 0. So given equation I am taking here 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. X equal 0 you can take. X value 0 we are substituting, means 3 by 2 into 0 plus 5 by 3 into y equal to 7. 3 by 2 into 0. Something into 0. That value we have to get 0. 0 plus 5 by 3y equal to 7. 0 plus 5 by 3y. So we can get 5 by 3 y equal to 7. This total you can transpose y equal 7 into 3 by 5. So y equal 21 by 5. 7 3s are 21 by 5. So 5 table we can cancel. 5 1s are 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10. Means we can get here 4.2 we are getting. So 0 comma 4.2. Now you can take y value, you can take as a 0. So here y equal to 0 we are taking as a y equal to 0, means 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3 into 0 equal to 7. So 5 by 3 into 0, that value is 0. So 3 by 2x plus 0 equal to 7. So 3 by 2x plus 0 we are getting 3 by 2 x equal to 7. This total you can transpose x equals 7 into 2 by 3. So x equals 7 2s are 14 by 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 4s are 12. Point means 20. 6 are 20, 18. Means 4.6 we are getting. So the pair is 4.6 comma 0. Now you can take the graph. So x-axis, this is y-axis. So intersecting point is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Above the 0, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left side of the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Below the 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Now you can plot the points. First point is 0 comma 4.2. So 0 and 4.2 means we can get here. Next one it is 4.6 comma 0. So 4.6 comma 0. 4.6 comma 0 means we can get here. So join the point. So this equation becomes 3 by 2x plus 5 by 3y equals 7. Next one we forgot it actually, that one you have to take 9 for the equation. (9x minus 10y equal to 12). So here x values, y values and pairs. So x value, first value I am taking as a 0. y value also I will take next in, I will take 0. So first given equation I am taking 9x minus 10y equal 12. So x you can take as a 0. So 9 into 0 minus 10 into y equal to 12. So 9 into 0, 0. 0 minus 10y minus 10y equal to 12 we are getting. This minus 10y you can transpose, y equal 12 by minus 10. That equal y value we are getting minus 1.2 we can get. This value we are getting minus 1.2. So 0 comma minus 1.2 we are getting the pair. Now here in this equation you can take y value you can take as a 0. So 9x minus 10 into 0 equal 12. 9x minus 10 into 0. 10 into 0 value is 0. So that is 9x minus 0 equal 12. So 9x equal 9x minus 0 is 9x equal 12. X equal 12 by 9. 3 3s are 3 4s are. 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Point 3 3s are 9. Means 1.3 we are getting. So that point is 1.3 comma 0. Now this one you have to plot 0 comma minus 1.2. 0 comma minus 1.2 we can get here. And 1.3 comma 0. 1.3 comma 0 we can get here. So this one we are extending means we can get like this. So this is actually it is the total, this is the rough work. So we are intersecting. Here it is the intersection point, that point we need to take. We are taking in the graph sheet, we are exact value we are getting. Now we can take the scale here. On x-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. This is about graphical representation of the given data. In the next upcoming video, we will focus on the given equations are consistent or inconsistent. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students and viewers, do you like this video? Please share. It will helpful for others also. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you. Thank you very much.